Welcome to the Money Intelligence YouTube channel, your go-to resource for insightful tips and practical knowledge on how to make the most out of your financial journey. We're here to empower you with the right tools to take control of your financial destiny. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share our content with your friends, and give us a thumbs up if our videos are helping you. This not only supports our channel, but also ensures you never miss out on our informative content. Today, we're diving into a topic that has been highly requested by our viewers: how to create a compelling profile and get accepted on Upwork. Whether you're a seasoned freelancer looking to expand your client base or just starting out in the freelancing world, this video is going to be a game changer for you. So grab a notepad and a pen, sit back, and let's get started. Your profile picture is the initial point of contact with potential clients, so it needs to be professional and welcoming. Use a clear, high-quality image where you're looking directly at the camera. Smile and wear professional attire. Remember, you're not just selling your skills, but also your personality. Think of your title as your personal sales pitch. It should be concise, specific, and relevant to the services you offer. The overview is your chance to elaborate on your skills, experience, and what makes you unique. It should be engaging and informative, showcasing your abilities and highlighting your accomplishments. In the skills section, list your key abilities related to the jobs you're targeting. Be specific and honest. Don't list skills you don't possess just to appear more appealing. Detail your previous jobs, the tasks you handled, and how these experiences contribute to your current skill set. For your education, include your degrees or certifications, along with the institutions where you earned them. The portfolio is where you showcase your work. Include samples that represent the breadth and depth of your skills. Keep it organized and neat. Each item should have a clear title and a brief description. The availability status is often overlooked. Make sure to accurately set your availability. If you're open to new job offers, make sure it's reflected on your profile. Upwork offers skill tests that you can take to prove your proficiency. It's a great way to validate your skills and increase your credibility. Creating an impressive Upwork profile involves a professional photo, a compelling title and overview, listing your authentic skills, detailing your employment history and education, showcasing your work in the portfolio, setting your availability accurately, and taking skill tests for added credibility. Remember, patience is key. Keep refining and improving, and you'll soon be on your way to landing your first job on Upwork. A step-by-step guide to creating an Upwork profile that doesn't just blend in but stands out. Here's to your success on the platform. Happy freelancing!